Hello wonderful people, welcome back to another wonderful video. In today's video guys, I'm going to be telling you how I moved from this to this. Okay, so if you know you're interested in this video, keep watching. Make sure you watch till the end, and do not forget to give this video a massive thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to keep getting more updates like this. Now, without wasting much of our time, let us dive right into the video. So the very first thing I did was to become more intentional about my channel. Yes, I had to start seeing YouTube as a serious business. Okay, I stopped seeing YouTube as something I do at my leisure time. I started seeing it as a serious business. I know when you see something as business, you'll be motivated, you'll be pushed to keep putting in your best in that thing that you have called a business. Okay, so if you want to see your channel move to the next level, the very first thing you're going to do is pause right now and start seeing it as your business. In fact, start seeing it as your lifesaver. Okay, yes, because it's going to motivate you to put in your effort, to put in your best in order to give out valuable content that will get people glued to your channel. All right, now the second thing I did after being intentional about my channel is consistency. Yeah, I started posting consistently as much as I can. Okay, now there's a difference between you posting at random times or anytime you just feel like you post. No, you have to be consistent on YouTube for you to be able to actually see the result. All right, now once you become consistent, you find out that there is no particular day that, in fact, whether you drop a video or not, on daily basis you'll be getting the subscribers, you'll be getting the watch hours. All right, so long as you're posting on YouTube. So that was the second thing I did. I learned the art of some consistency, and I started posting. Consistency doesn't mean that, oh, you must necessarily post on daily basis. No, I wasn't posting on daily basis, but I became more intentional and consistent. I started pushing out contents back to back, back to back. All right, and I saw the growth, I saw the impact it had on my channel. Yeah, now to the third thing I actually did, which made my channel to start booming, was I started focusing on value. Yes, the truth of the matter is that most people out there are always looking for what to learn. People are looking for what to learn. People are always searching for information, searching for knowledge. Okay, now I asked myself, what is it that I can actually be able to teach people and people will actually learn? Okay, because YouTube has passed the stage whereby you just feel like, oh, I just want to post what I want. No, you actually need to do an understudy or an investigation to actually find out what people are actually searching for on YouTube. Okay, and when you get that, you will now be able to make your research, come up with your content ideas, and develop your topic. And you will be able to now talk, and people will actually listen to you and get value from what you are talking about. Okay, so value is very, very, very important. No matter the kind of content you're actually dishing out, it doesn't necessarily have to be a tutorial or a how-to video. No, even if you're dishing out a vlog, even if you're doing a lifestyle video, even if you're creating content around motherhood, just be additional value. Teach people new things. Okay, talk about things that, oh, random persons may not really know, but maybe from your life, from your way of life, from your experiences, they will get to know all this. Okay, yes, so value is very, very important. Value is very, very important when it comes to YouTube channel. Okay, and now finally the last thing I actually started implementing, which helped me to boost my channel, was engagement. All right, you need to engage with people in your channel. All right, even if it's one person that drops a comment on your video, try as much as you can to reply, engage. All right, engagement matters because it gives people a sense of belonging. They feel you. All right, they feel like you are there with them. Yeah, so they will always come back to engage with you. Okay, and yes, I said finally before, but no, the final thing I started implementing that helped to skyrocket my channel was I invested in my thumbnails. Yes, I started designing very attractive thumbnails. All right, thumbnails need to actually be catchy, you know. Yes, it needs to be catchy and attractive enough to get people to actually click on your video. Okay, because sometimes you might prepare a very wonderful video, but the content is not attractive enough, is not alluring. Okay, so people might just see the your video and just scroll and pass. Why? Because your thumbnail is not calling them to click on your video. Okay, so you actually need to equally invest in your thumbnail, because your thumbnail is the first thing that attracts people to your video. All right, when they see the thumbnail and they feel like, oh wow, they will now click. Okay, so guys, I believe this video has been of value to so many people out there. All right, so do not forget to give this video a massive thumbs up, drop a comment in the comment section, subscribe to the channel, and share this video, all right, so that more people can get to see this good news. All right, so guys, till I see you guys in my next video, bye for now.